Before we begin this releasing practice of releasing your disappointment, I'm gonna ask you a question. Is it okay for you to receive this healing right now? And if your answer is yes, say yes out loud or in your mind's eye, or claim this statement now. Yes, I give myself permission to receive this divine healing and release the disappointment. Take a slow breath in and out. And now I want you to think about what disappointed you. Something you really wanted, something you expected, something you believed was going to happen. Maybe you were excited, maybe you were certain, and then it didn't happen the way you imagined. So I want you to notice where that disappointment sits inside your body. Don't rush to turn it into a lesson. Don't immediately tell yourself everything happens for a reason. First, I really want you to allow yourself to admit that you wanted that. That I wanted that. That was your want. So breathe and claim it. I really wanted that. And maybe it hurts that it didn't happen. And you are allowed to acknowledge that. You don't have to pretend you didn't care just because it didn't work out. Take another deep breath. And this time, I want you to say it out loud. I honor what I wanted. I honor how I feel. I don't need to minimize my disappointment. And let me ask you a question. Or you can ask yourself that question actually. What's going on? Like, am I grieving what actually happened? Or the future I imagined around it? Breathe. Let it land. Sometimes we don't only lose the thing, sometimes we lose the story we created around the thing, that future, that timeline, the expectation, the picture. And that's what can hurt us so deeply. So take another breath. And I want you to reclaim this with your voice and say it out loud, with the conviction in your heart. I release my attachment to how I thought this had to happen. I release the timeline I created in my mind. I release the pressure to understand why right now. I release what is no longer mine to carry. Breathe it in and sigh it all out. And let's create some more space for you. Because you don't have to immediately know what comes next. The fact that one path changed doesn't mean there is no path. The fact that something didn't happen doesn't mean nothing good is happening. And you don't need to force yourself to believe that something better is coming. For now, just simply allow possibility to exist. Just allow it to happen. And claim it with your voice. Say it out loud. Repeat after me. I am open to another way. I am open to something I cannot see yet. I trust myself to meet whatever comes next. I allow life to surprise me. Beautiful. And let's take one final deep breath in. And bring your energy back from what could have been. Back from what should have happened. Back from the timeline you imagined. Bring yourself back here. Back into your body, back into this moment, back into the present, back into your high frequency bubble, your safety, your awareness, your choice. You can honor the disappointment without building your home inside it. You're allowed to release that old picture and leave space for the new one. And that's what you did right now. You released the disappointment. I'm so proud of you, and I'm celebrating you on your journey. Congratulations on releasing your disappointment.